How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change your motorcycle color in less than 1 minute using Photoshop. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to Photoshop, and it's going to be a lot better if your image doesn't have a background. And basically from here, just click on select, click on color range, and then you want to click on the part where you want to change the color off. So if you want to change the color of the color black itself, you could do something like highlight the color black right here, and then basically it will then show up on the color range itself. Now in my case, I'm going to edit out the color red, so it will highlight right here. You want to adjust the fuzziness, same thing with the range, and you want to make sure that the localized color clusters is enabled. Click on OK, and then you will be able to see your color selected right here. So you just have to apply an adjustment, click on the adjustment layer, click the hue and saturation, and from here you then have to select the color and you should be good to go. As you can see, I'm able to change my motorcycle into something like green if I wanted to. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.